The main reason why we hosted this is because we wanted to attract the best talent in the country so that the people of that level know what Richemont Masterbaker is, and also to let people understand what they know.
Every time there's competition, for me, it's like not about win or lose. It's about have experience with another chef, you know, what the chef doing and then what we capable of. By this competition, actually, it's like sharing knowledge, you know, from each other. For me, it's either you win or you learn something. That's it.
So far it is exciting, and I felt it was very organized from Richemont Institute, getting to know the new ingredients that is provided by the Institute. So I think meeting new people, getting their experience, what they're working on, that is the best part of this competition, and that will be very exciting when the result will come.
See, you go to a competition, you see different chefs, you see different judges, you talk to each other, you get to know each other, and we share the techniques also, what we are doing. We share the knowledge also. A lot of ideas is coming. Each table have some different ideas. Everybody is thinking different way. So very good opportunity.
I think it's very exciting days we had, and the quality we've seen is very good. Obviously there are mistakes, but we have judges who give feedback. Overall it's very exciting. It's nice to see chefs of different levels, different ideas, the creativity. I think it was very inspiring for everybody, so overall we're very happy so far.
When you're in this type of competition, it's important to actually face challenges, challenges that you're not facing on daily basis. So it's good to see what kind of work you can produce in a different environment.
The competition is very important always because you can improve your things, and especially for a young chef is very nice because you learn every day. At the end they push a lot, and then they done the good job, very good job.